I'm just gonna follow the instruction again. Over here, preheat the oven, remove the pizza from packaging directly at the center, put it, and then bake for 14 to 18 minutes. Alright, so I'm gonna prep the pan. I'm just gonna spray a non-stick spray on this one. Even without the spray, I think it should be good. But I'm just gonna like to be careful not to like have it stick on the pan. Uh, yeah, so I'm just gonna spray some non-stick spray. Hopefully this one's good enough. Alright, and then I'm gonna open the packaging. And put it on the pan. It looks alright though. So again, it's kind of like it's not like totally covered. So I feel like if it's gonna be cooked, it's not gonna be like colorful too much because it's a lot of cheese compared to like the other toppings on the pizza, and this is the additional toppings like the spices that I can add on once it's fully baked. Alright, so I'm just gonna transfer the actual dough, pizza dough, on the pan, and then get it ready for the baking process. Alright, so I'm gonna put the pizza. It's supposed to be ready now. It's 400 degrees. I'm gonna put it in the center. So I'm gonna put it on top, like the top and center of the oven, and just let it stay there for. I set it up for. I'm gonna try to set it up for 17 minutes, like in between the 14 to 18, and just see how it goes. Alright, time is ended, so I'm gonna pick it up. I can see the dough is kind of got lifted a bit, it's kind of puffy. And yeah, the cheese is melted, so that's a good sign. I'm just gonna add the additional spices on it, on the sachet. My dog is kind of looking at me right now, like I think he smelled the pizza, but again, he can't really eat this one, so I'm just gonna give him some treat instead. So I'm slicing this one. I don't have like the pizza, like the circle round thing that for pizza cutting, so I'm just gonna use a regular knife. And it's just challenging because I think the pepperoni is harder to like actually, because my knife is not sharp, so it's not like really like cutting the pepperoni. Like I'm just like sinking it deeper on the dough, not really like cutting it in half. But if I pull it out, I'm guessing from the. Alright, it looks like this, guys. So it looks good though. Again, thank you guys for watching. I mean, if you do want to try this one, you could buy it somewhere in the market close by.